And welcome to day 7 of the Spooktacular Halloween Series. I'm so glad that you are coming back to join us this weekend, and our videos are Friday, Saturday, and Sunday throughout October, and we will announce our winners on October 31st. And I am doing this series with my crafty BFF, Robyn Pitts, who is Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. I will go over the rules real quickly. You must be 18 years or older, be a visible subscriber to our channels, and I do have a video linked in the description box so you can watch it to make sure that that your subscriptions are visible to us when we check. And you must leave a comment on each of our videos. And what I have created today are little Frappuccino cup holders. And this is the Frappuccino cups that I'm talking about. I purchased these off of Amazon, and I will link them in the description box below. And I am using the Prima 31 again, as you can see, and you know that I've got that from ASC Craft Supplies, and I am on their design team. I will have them linked in the description box below. And remember to use my coupon code Michelle10 for 10% off any regular price purchases, and any order $75 or more ships free. Just love this paper collection, and I cannot stop working with it. I love the ephemera, and as I've mentioned earlier in some of my previous videos, I have scanned the ephemera and reduced it down probably to 25% of the original size for my smaller projects. And I love how that is working. I made an SVG file for these little holders, and I do have a little tutorial to show you how to put them together. They are super simple. I will leave a link to the file in the description box below, as well as the size that it needs to be when you import it to your Silhouette or Cricut software. So the first one, I have we got hands here so I can use them, talk with my hands. So I have 2 holes at the top so you can put some ribbon or twine through the top to hold it off. And I've used this little cat face, and once again my little vellum ghost, and a spider web, and I have a little glitter spider I cut out tucked in behind, as well as these little candy corn. And these are just some of the tags from the ephemera, and I have this little spider coming down here along the top. And this ribbon was thick, so you could tie it in a bow, but the middle, it just was so chunky, it didn't look right. So that this unties, and these open up so you can take out your little cup. And in this cup, I chose to put some jimmies. And I have 2 little beads here on the side, but you can use this for sequin mixes or glitter, whatever your little heart desires. But they're just the perfect size, and they do measure, the little cups measure with the lid about 2 inches. So it's just a perfect size to send some little goodies in. And the holder measures 3 inches. I just love how it came out. I created this several months ago, and I forgot to share it, so I thought this series would be the perfect time. So here you can see there's a hole to put your cup in, and then it just closes up around it for you to keep your cup safe. And on this one, I did not put the holes at the top. I chose to not put the holes at the top. That way you can use a clip or a binder clip or a clothespin and put some little charms at the top. So I thought that came out really cute as well. And I have the word boo here with some little pink hearts and a little skeleton head and another little bead and another spider coming down. And here we have the bingo card, another vellum ghost, and of course I love the little lollipop, and this little black cat is so stinking cute. And just open it. So then this one, you'll just slide that off the top and it'll open up. And then this one, I put some of the beads, and I have a couple more here on the side. So if you stay tuned, I do have a very short tutorial. I just wanted to show you that when you import the glitter cup holder into Silhouette Design Space, it will be the correct size. And for the cutouts, they are there, but I wasn't able to slice through the back layer. But it will be ready to go when you import directly into Silhouette. And I will show you what you may need to do when you import into Cricut Design Space. So we want to go to Upload and to Upload Image. And I'm going to drag it in. And if you look up here
does have the size 5.786 wide by 8 inches high or height. And I'm just going to click upload, and it will take just a second here. And we'll click on that and add the canvas. And so it is importing at the correct size. So Cricut, I did have a new update, so hopefully that is something new that you will not need to change the sizes. But one thing you will need to do is you will need to change your cut, these black cut lines to score lines. So what you want to do is go over to the right, and anything that does not have a collared shape beside basic cut, like this one here, you want to click on it, and I'm going to hold down the shift key and click on all of these that we see here to change to score lines. So I'll do what I can see, and I'm going to go over here on the upper left hand, select the little drop down arrow by basic cut and go to score, and that will change those. I'm going to pull down, and we'll start again on the basic cut, hold down the shift key and click on all of these that we need to change. And once again, over here on the left, we will do score and change that, and we'll bring these down, and I'm holding the shift key down again. We're going to do these last two, and then come over and select score, and then if you click on the match, then it will change them to score. So what we want to do now is I'm going to come over and I'm going to ungroup. Oh, let me go over here and do ungroup over here on the left, upper right, and see if that works. There we go. So I want to take this square and select attach, the other square and attach, and then each one of these, and we want to attach all of the pieces together. And now when we select make it, give it just a second here, and all of our pieces are attached and in the proper place. And if we would not have done the attach, you would have an extra mat and there would just be little black lines on it. So this way you know everything has been attached in the proper place.
This is a super simple project to put together. So here is the cut file for the larger piece and then the base that the Frappuccino cup rests in. And I have already burnished my edges. So the first thing we want to do is take the square with the circle. I'm just going to fold that tab back and fold these two sides in where the little tabs are, and I'm just going to put some glue on the tabs like so. Okay, that looks good. Then just flip it over. I'm going to fold that back on that side, fold the tabs in, put me some glue like so, then just fold it over, and I'm lining it up along the edges just like that, and we'll bring our larger piece in. Well, I'm looking here, I may want this side. I was going to do that, but I kind of like the front of that, so I think I'm going to use this front here. I like the looks of that, and I'm just going to place it in and see which way it fits on there the best. So I think I like it right like that, and just put glue on the front and the back, and just set it down in between your score lines that are here and here like that. I'm just going to fold it up and making sure it's centered, and make sure you push it down into the bottom. I'm just going to rub my finger along that. Okay, so I have my Frappuccino cup. Haven't put my sequins in yet. Let's go ahead and put the lid, and then it sits in the middle like so. And I have the scrap ribbon, and I'm just going to put it through here. And I don't think I'm going to tie a bow this time. This ribbon's a little thick, so I think the middle would be too thick. So I think what I'm going to do is just go through and just pull it like so, where it's like a grosgrain ribbon. I think it'll be okay. And I'm just going to do it like that, and then this side I'll go like this, and so we'll have that. And then I want to add the spider web, and I'm going to bring it down right about there. I'm just kind of looking where I need to put the glue, and I need to put my glue right here on the two middle pieces, and go back where we had it. And this is a Cricut spider web, and I'll try to remember the ghost and spider web that I have sized for this. I'll try to remember to link it in the description box. And then these are just some pieces of ephemera, and I've already put together 2 tags. This little cat, added a spider in the back, and this vellum ghost. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put, let's see here, I'll put one there and one over here. I think that should hit enough of the spider web. I'm just gonna tilt it like that so I can see, and have it like so. And now I'm just gonna push it down on the pop dots. So there's that. And I also have this little spider that I had cut out with the Cricut. And I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on it and just go up a little part way on the spider web. And I'm gonna pull that ribbon back, and I'm just gonna tuck him right along right there. So he's going to his web, and then I'll just take my scissors and cut off the excess. There we go. Whoops. Okay. And so then we have our spider. But I just think these are so cute, and I was excited to share them with you. I did it several months ago, and I've been forgetting to share it. So I thought that Halloween would be the perfect time, because we like sharing goodies with our crafty friends. Or you could even put candy in there and give out as treats to, you know, grandkids or friends or coworkers. Thanks for watching the tutorial. I hope that you give the little Frappuccino cup holders a try, and if you do so, make sure to tag me. I'd love to see what you come up with. Make sure to visit Robyn and ASC Craft Supplies. I'll have their links in the description box below. And remember to use my coupon code Michelle10 for 10% off any regular price purchases, and any order $75 or more ships free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.